Would you rather? You rather a man take away your woman or a woman take away your woman?
Wow. I tell you, you know. Boy, it hard for the two side, yes. Really, really hard for the two side.
You have to get bun, you know. Who you rather get the bun
But
from?
still, it better a woman still.
Yeah.
Yeah. Me not feel like mother feel it, so with, if a woman take away me woman, but mother feel it deep down in my heart if a man take away me woman. Worse if all him and all my best friend too. Yeah, that would agree with me hard, man.
It sounds like you have experience, like your best friend take away your woman already.
Yeah, man, I whole heap of time that reach out. And you don't know. You have to just say, cho, woman more than man too. Whether violate no. More than she move on to another woman. Yeah, we not violate the man, neither the woman.
Anybody you like to big up?
Alright. The big up. Right away big up my mother. Sandra McIntosh. Yeah. That's it.
Alright, thank you for your time.